Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dia. My register number I1M22308. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research proposal. Today, I would like to present my research proposal in the title, The Effect of Using English Clips on Student Vocabulary Mastery at SMA Negeri 16 Bombana. For the background of the study, English international language used in education and communication. Therefore, learning English is important for students. The study is important because vocabulary is important part of learning English. Without sufficient vocabulary, students will find it difficult to understand reading. Difficult to understand reading text, express the idea, communicate with others, and develop other English skills such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Ideally, students should master vocabulary and use in context. This means that students are expected not only to memorize new words but also to understand their meanings and use them appropriately in real life communication. Recently, many students have experienced difficulty in mastering vocabulary and often feel bored with traditional learning methods because vocabulary learning usually focuses on memorization and teacher explanation. Therefore, more engaging learning media are needed to support vocabulary learning. One of the learning media that can be used is English movie clips. English movie clips provide visual context and authentic language exposure, making vocabulary learning more interesting and meaningful for students. Based on previous study, English movie clips have been found to improve students' vocabulary mastery and increase their learning motivation. Research question. The research attempt to investigate whether the use of English movie clips significantly affect student vocabulary mastery and to what extent student vocabulary mastery improve after using English movie clips. The objective of the research is to identify the effect of using English movie clips on student vocabulary mastery and to find out the extent of improvement in student vocabulary mastery after the implementation of this learning media. The focus of the study is only on the use of English movie clips as a learning medium and students' vocabulary mastery. The study does not discuss other English skills such as speaking, reading, listening, and writing. The research uses a quantitative method with pre-experimental research design using on group pretest and post-design. The population of the study consists of 11 grades at SMA Negeri 16 Bana. From this population, sample of 30 students will be selected through total sampling, meaning that all students are included in this research. For data collection, The study uses a vocabulary test and observation set as the research instruments. The vocabulary test is used to measure student vocabulary mastery before and after the implementation of English movie clips. The test the result will be used to determine whether there is improvement in student vocabulary mastery after the treatment. Meanwhile, the observation set is used to observation and record student participation, attention, and response during the teaching and learning process. It provides additional information to support the findings of the study regarding the implementation of English movie clips in the classroom. And the data will be analyzed using descriptive statistic and pair sample test. Descriptive statistic will be used to summarize the data by calculating the mean score of the pre-test and post-test. Then a pair sample test will be conducted to determine whether there is significant difference between the pre-test and post-test score after the implementation of English clips. And that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.